Just a minute. Yeah. Yes, yesterday, first day. So yesterday, just these things were discussed. Okay. Yes. Once again, if anyone unable to hear me, rejoin the session. If anyone unable to hear me, just rejoin the session. Rejoin. If anyone unable to hear me, yes, rejoin the session. Yes, Sony. Rejoin the session. Rejoin. Rejoin. This girl has to rejoin. Yes. Rejoin the session. Rejoin. Yes. So yesterday, just about me introduced here. Okay. Yes, total 18 projects. My whole career. 2 projects in embedded C. 12 projects on Java. 4 projects in Hadoop. Current projects. 19 projects. Client Volkswagen ERP projects. Currently working for this company. Yes, my badge. My badge. Yes, high-tech 142 IT application center. Okay. Yeah, this company knows about me. Yes, I'm taking class and all this. They know about my class and all this. Yes. Next, about your course. Yes, core Java. Core Java. Yes, duration 3 months. 75 to 78 sessions. 115 hours totally. Duration 1 hour and 30 minutes. Total 90 minutes. Daily 90 minutes. 115 hours. Complete course. Time keeps 6 to 7:30 p.m. 6 to 7:30 p.m. Monday to Saturday classes. Monday strictly Monday classes. Never cancelling classes. Only Sunday holiday. Even I'm not feeling well, I'll take the class. Okay. Yes. 3 demo classes free of cost. From today means from tomorrow means today. Today actual classes. 3 classes you can attend free of cost. Yes, fees this much only. Yes, daily recordings sharing to our Gmail ID within 1 hour of finishing class. So by 9 p.m. you can watch it. By 9 p.m. you can watch it. Okay, so recordings, class documents, JDK softwares and Eclipse. So these things sharing with you. Okay. Yes. So what is prerequisite to learn Java? Nothing required. Non-IT background guys also can understand here. Okay. Yes, starting with basics. By the time of finishing course, you can put up 3 to 4 years of experience. Starting with basics, yes, taking to high end. By the time of finishing course, you can put up minimum 3 to 4 years of experience. Yes, course contents. Core part of Java. Yes, logic-based programming in this. 100 programs discussing. In this 60 experiment, 40 assignments. 1 month. Yes, more focus on logic development, improving, yes, programming skills. Special focus. Special focus on logic building, improving programming skills. This is for 1 month. Once you're good at programming, then start in groups concept. Yes, all the groups features. Yes, yesterday. Yes, all this we discussed. Okay. Next thing, string buffer, object wrapper classes, exception handling, collections, IO streams, networking, multi-threading. After finishing all these topics, version-wise features 1.0, 1.1, 1.2. Yes, up to 8, 9, 11, 13. That's it. So this is what we discussed yesterday. Yes, today. Yes, let us start. Mute up. Yes, today's second day. Today's second day. Yes, starting actual classes. Actual classes. Today actual classes. Okay. Yes. Let us start. So first of all, Java. Yes, start with Java. Yes. Start. Yes, Java introduction. Yes. So first question is yes. What is just I'm starting with question. Yes, what is Java? Yes. Tell me guys what is your answer? What's your idea? Of course, I will explain everything clearly. Just I'm asking your idea. What is Java? Just I'm asking your idea. What is Java?
Java is a programming language.
Sir, Java is an object-oriented programming language.
Okay, good, good. Yes, you can change. Yes, need not to speak here. You guys need not to speak. Just you can share it. You can share in the chat box. Chat box available. You can share it. Yes. What is Java exactly? Let us see. What is Java? Simple answer. What is Java means simple answer. Yes. Java is an object-oriented programming language. That's it. Okay. H. Yes. What is OOP? OOP stands for Java is a OOP language. Yes. OOP stands for objects oriented. Objects oriented programming. OOP stands for object oriented programming. OOP stands for object oriented programming. So what is Java means? Simple answer. Simple answer. Java is an object oriented programming language. Java is an object oriented programming language. Okay. Fine. Yes, JDK is a Java software. It's a Java software. Yes, Java. Yes, development. Java development kit. Java development kit. JDK software. It's a Java development kit. Java development kit. Okay. Yes, Java development kit. Yes. Yes, it is. It is from Sunsoft. It is from Sunsoft. Sunsoft. Now, now it is with Oracle Corporation. Now it is with yes Oracle Corporation. Oracle Corp. Okay. Yes, it is from Sunsoft. Yes, JDK stands for Java Development Kit, Java Software. JDK Java Development Kit. It is from Sunsoft. Now it is with Oracle Corporation. Now it is with Oracle Corporation. Now it is with Oracle Corporation. Okay, fine. See, JDK JDK 1.0. JDK 1.0. Yes, it's a first version of Java. JDK 1.0, first version of Java. First version of Java. JDK 1.0, first version of Java released in the year yes in the year 1995. Yes, JDK 1.0, JDK 1.0, first version of Java released in the year 1995. JDK 1.0, first version of Java released in the year 1995. See, 1995 means I think before your birth, right? Yes, you guys. 1995. That is your before your birth. I think, right? Before your birth. Before your birth. 1995. What I was doing. 1995. What I was doing here. Yes, I was. I was in engineering second year. I was in engineering second year. I was in engineering second year. Engineering second 1995. I was in engineering second year. See, 1993 to 1997. Yes, complete my engineering, computer science engineering. Yes, JNTU. Yes, either JNTH, Computer Science Engineering, JNTH, 93 to 97. Completed after that, joined the job immediately. Okay, 93 to 97. So immediately I got the job. Okay, so 1995 I was in engineering second year. So that time, yes, I was learning. Yes, I was learning C language. That time I was learning C language. C language. I was learning C language. I was learning C language. In our engineering, we had the C language. Just I was learning C language. C language. 1995. Just I was learning C language. So before Java releasing to the markets, already I was there in software field. Started my software career. 93. My engineering started. So before releasing Java, yes, I was there in software field. So here I worked with every version of Java. Live experience. I have a live experience with Java. Okay, fine. This is JDK 1.0, first version of Java. Okay, first version of Java released in year 1995. Okay, so JDK 1.0 released with JDK 1.0. Yes, JDK 1.0 released with the main features. Released with main features as below. As below. As below. Okay, so JDK 1.0 released with main features as below. First one, yes, independent of platform, independent of platform, independent of platform, independent of platform. Sorry, independent of platform. Yes. So JDK 1.0, JDK 1.0 released with main features as below. First one, independent of platform, independent of platform. Yes, next portability. Yes, portability, portability, portability. Next, object-oriented programming language. Object-oriented, so programming language. So they are the initial features of Java. Object-oriented programming language. Okay, next. Yes, scalability, 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 and next security, and security. So these features released. JDK 1.0, JDK 1.0 released with main features as below. JDK 1.0 released with main features as below. First one, independent of platform. Next, portability. Next, object-oriented program language. Next, scalability and security. These are main features of Java. So 1.0. Okay. So JDK 1.0 released with these features. JDK 1.0. Okay, released with these features. Okay, independent of platform, portability, group language, scalability, and security. So next after that, yes, JDK 1.1. Yes, in the year 1996. So 1995. So these are, yes, with these features released in the market. Yes, in the year 1995. Yeah, I know very well that release with lot of publicity. Java released in the year 1995 with lot of publicity. With lot of publicity, I know very well that release. Okay, I know very well Java release. So JDK 1.1 in the year 1996. 1996. Okay, see JDK 1.1, JDK 1.1. Yes, JDK 1.1 Java divided. Yes, Java divided into three editions. Three editions. Java divided into three editions. JDK 1.1. JDK 1.1 Java divided into three editions. Three editions. Yes, first one. Yes, JTSE. First one JTSE. Yes, JTSE. Yes, sorry, JSE. JSE calling as JTS. This is called as JTSE. Yes, it's a Java standards. Java standards. Java standard edition. Java standard edition. Java standard edition. J2SE. Okay, so JSE. Java standard edition. Next edition is yes JW J2W J2W. Yes, it's a Java Enterprise. Java Enterprise. Java Enterprise Edition. Java Enterprise Edition. Java Enterprise Edition. Okay. Yes, second one. Java Enterprise Edition. Next, third one. Third one. Yes, ME. Third one. Yes, JME. Okay. Yes. JTME. Java mobile edition. Yes, it's a mobile. It's a mobile edition. So Java standard edition, Java enterprise edition. Yes, Java mobile edition. Yes, like these three editions of Java here. Okay, these three editions. So Java. Okay. Yes, 1 second. Yes, you guys need not write any running notes. Don't write any running notes. I have prepared in document. See, let me open document. Yes, this is Java document. 1 second. Yeah, this is Java document. Okay, you guys don't write any running notes. It's not necessary. Yes, it's there in document here. Okay, it's there in document here. Very clearly I have prepared. Just you follow document here. Just you follow the document here. Okay, just you follow. See here. So JDK 1.0 first version of Java released in the year 1995. 1995. Yes. So JDK 1.0 released with main features as below. Independent of platform. Yes. Portability. Next group language. Scalability and security. These are yes initial features of Java. Yes. Next JDK 1.1 released in the year. Yes. Released. Yes. Released in the year 1996. Released in the year next version of Java. Second version of Java 1.1 released in the year 1996. Okay, since second version Java divided into three editions. Three editions. So first JSE is calling it JTSE. So J2W, J2ME. Why 2 means second version. Second version this is. So 2. Why named as 2 means second version. Okay, so Java Standard Edition. Java Standard Edition. Next JE. So J2E. So Java Enterprise. Java Enterprise Edition. Java Enterprise Edition. Java Enterprise Edition. Yes. JTME. Java Mobile Edition. So initially Java released with only three editions. Fourth edition later added. Fourth one later added. Okay, after this, next JDK. Yes, 1.3. So 1.2 version, next 1.3 version, next 1.4 version, next 1.5, next 1.6, 1.6, 1.7, next 1.8, yes 1.8 from this calling it Java 8, Java 8, yes next Java 9, yes next Java, yes 11, yes next Java 13. This released. Yes, in Oracle website Java 17 or 16 is a 70 cell, but officially no one using. Okay, not necessary. Correct? Yes. Here up to 13. Up to 13 officially released in the market here. Yes. See, industry using 8 and 9. Okay, in our office we are using 9. Since last two projects we are using 9. Okay. Yes, our team already updated with 11 and 13 also. We are ready to work on these versions also. If any client is asking. Yes, we'll discuss about all the versions. All the versions. Yes, out of all the versions. Yes, JDK. Yes, JDK 1.5. Yes, very important version. JDK 1.5. Yes, released. 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 Yes, in the year. Yes, in the year 2004. Released in the year 2004. Okay. Yes, many features added. Yes, in this version, many features. Many new features were added here. Many features were added here. Many features were added. Many features were added. Okay. Yes. JDK, yes. Out of all these things here, JDK 1.5 most important version here. Released in the year 2004. 2004. Yes. Many features were added in this version. Okay. Yes, many. Yes, even fourth edition. See, fourth edition. Yes, fourth edition. Yes, fourth edition. Fourth edition. Yes, JFX. JFX. With Java effects. Java effects. Java effects. Java effects. Yes, Java effects also added, added in this section, added in this version, the fourth one, fourth edition, fourth edition, Java effects also added in this version here. In this version, okay, this version, yes, it is called as Tiger version. 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 See, JDK 1.5 released in the year 2004. JDK 1.5 released in the year 2004 here. Yes, many features were added here. So fourth edition effects, Java effects, also added in this version. Okay, Java effects also added in this version here. Fourth edition. Okay. Yes, it is called as Tiger version. It's called as Tiger version. Okay, called as Tiger version. See, after releasing 1.5, Java got the success. Okay, yes, Java got the success with the JDK 1.5. Finally, Java got the success. So finally, Java got the success with JDK 1.5. With JDK 1.5. Yes, to become success, how many years it was taken? How many years? See, JDK 1.5 released in year 2004. 2004. Yes, initial release 95. 1995 to 2004. How many years? Yes, almost 10 years. Around 10 years, right? It was taken for 10 years to become success. 10 years. 10 years is not a small period. Okay? Very lengthy, right? 10 years. See, you guys worked for 10 years in any field, getting success fundamental. Anyone, 10 years. Yes, over a period of 10 years, lot of developments, lot of experience getting here, lot of experience getting, right? Yes. So consistently, if you work for 10 years here, if you choose a field, choose a correct field, choose right fields, and work for 10 years, getting success automatically. Getting success after 10 years is not a small period. Okay. Yes. For example, here 21 years, engineering completed, getting job. After getting job, yes, by the age of 30, by the reaching 30 years, yes. 30 years, yes, getting very good experience, getting success. After finishing, immediately getting job, after finishing engineering, 21 years job, then by 30 years, getting success. That's it here. Okay, yes, yes. So Java got success in here, yes, yes, with JDK 1.5. So finally, see, finally Java, yes, divide into four editions. Java divided to four editions. Finally, Java divided to four editions. Four editions. Yes, we'll discuss about one by one all the editions here. What are these editions here? We'll discuss one by one. So next, effects, Java effects. Fourth one, fourth edition. Yes. Fourth one, JFX. JFX. Or fourth one, don't have GTFX. Reason, yes, it is released. Yes, it is added in the 1.5. These are added. These were added in 1.2. In second version of Java, only these were added. In second version, that's the reason JTSC, J2W, JTME. Yes, effects JDK 1.5 means fifth version of Java. Fifth version. Okay. Yes. So this is Java effects here. Java effects. Java effects. Java effects. Java effects, right? So you get Java Standardization, Java Enterprise, Java Mobilization, Java effects. Okay. So what is Java Standardization? Java Standardization. What is Java Standardization here? Java Standardization. Yeah, this is our syllabus. Java is our course is Java Standardization. Okay. So Java Standardization. Yeah, this is Java technology. This is completely Java technology. That means you learning Java technology. So this is Java Standardization is a Java technology. Next, Java Enterprise. Java Enterprise Edition. Java Enterprise Edition. Yes. Here this application development. This is application development. Application. See application development. Application development comes on this part. Application development, apps. Applications. So all the frameworks. Yes, comes in this category. What is framework? Today we'll discuss. What is framework? Today I'll explain. So Java Standardization is a Java technology. Java Standard Edition, it's a Java technology. Java Enterprise Edition, it's a application development. Application development. Okay, next mobilization. What is mobilization here? Mobilization, this is using for mobile apps. Mobile apps. Mobile apps, right? Yes, in this area, Java poor. The Java poor in this area. In this edition, Java is poor here. Yes, in this area, using industry using Android. Industry using Android. Industry using Android. Mobile applications, Android using industry. So Android recommended in this area here. Yes, Android is a leader in this area. Android is a leader in this area. Okay. Mobile agents. This area Java is poor. Okay, next. Yes, Java effects here. Java effects. Java effects. Here this is using for visual effects. Visual. Yes, visual effects. Visual effects. Visual effects. Yes, in videos like movies. Okay. Yes, movies, maybe short films and all this, right? Visual effects here. Visual effects. Here this area also Java poor. Yes, here also Java is poor. Java is not recommended for this area. Yes, Premiere software. Premiere industry using film industry using Premiere software. Premiere software. Industry using Premiere software and Maya software. Premiere and Maya software. Yes, Maya. Sorry, Maya software. So Premiere and Maya software. This area Premiere and Maya software using. This area Android using here. This area Java is very poor. These two editions Java is poor. Java using in this area only here. Okay, so Java using in this area. Yeah, this area, these two editions, Java is leader, no doubt. Okay, so first Java standardization. Yes, Java standardization. It's a Java technology. Yes, it's a Java technology. Okay. Yes, Java technology. Yes, Java standardization is a Java technology. So this is our syllabus. So what is Java standardization? Java standardization contains what? Yesterday we discussed our syllabus. Yes, Java standardization. Yes, is our syllabus. Our course here. This is completely this is Java standardization. Yeah, this is our course. Okay, see that. Java standardization. It's a Java technology. This is our course here. First core part of Java. Next Java whoops. Yes, after that strings and string handling in different ways. Object wrapper classes, exception handling. Next collection framework. Yes, next IST streams. Yes, these two topics are very, very important here. Okay. Yes, almost 2 weeks spending this area. Very, very important. Okay. Next networking and next multi-threading. Next version-based features. That is our syllabus. Okay, fine. Now let us see what is enterprise edition. Yes, next one enterprise edition. Yes, it's application development part. Okay, application development part. Okay. Yes, all the frameworks comes on this area here. Okay, so this is for internet-based application development, internet-based apps development. Okay. Yes, internet-based apps development using enterprise, Java enterprise, application development, all internet-based applications development here, this area. So all frameworks, yes, all frameworks comes on this category here. So what are the Java frameworks? Let us say Java frameworks. Java frameworks. What are the Java frameworks? Java frameworks. So what's your framework? We'll discuss. Wait, what's your framework? I'll explain. Java frameworks. In this first one, Struts framework. Yes, Struts framework. Yeah, this is outdated, almost outdated. Struts framework, no one is using. This is for web applications, web apps, web applications like websites, that kind of things, web applications. Okay. Yes, websites, trading applications, small applications. Okay, small scale transactions. Application which is performing large small scale transactions is a web applications. Small scale transactions, less number of transactions, it's a web applications. Okay. Yes, next other frameworks, Spring framework. Spring. Hibernate framework. Hibernate framework. Hibernate framework. Yes, next. Yes, Hadoop. Hadoop framework. This also from the Java. Hadoop framework also from Java. Next, Spark framework. Spark framework Yes, also from Java. Okay. Yes, next. Yes, Spring. Yes, latest framework is Spring Boot and microservices. Spring Boot and microservices. So these all are the Java frameworks. All are Java frameworks. So what's the purpose of these frameworks here? See, touch framework. Yes, this is web applications. Okay. Yes, this is for web apps, web applications. Web apps means yes, this is performing less number small scale transactions here. Small scale transactions, small scale transactions here means less number of transactions. For example, Durga websites. How many people visiting daily? Maximum 1,000 members or 2,000 members, not more than that. Maximum 2,000 members websites. Some applications. Suppose online trading application, maximum 1,000 customers purchasing, maybe 2,000 customers purchasing. Some applications, those are small scale transactions. That is, yes, that application is called web application, small scale transactions. Okay, next, yes, Spring Framework and Hibernate Framework. These are for the enterprise applications. So Spring Framework, yes, and Hibernate Framework. Yeah, these are for the enterprise applications. There's enterprise. Yes, enterprise applications, enterprise apps. Enterprise applications performing large scale transactions. Yes, large scale transactions here. Large scale transactions. Okay, large scale transactions like Flipkart. Yes, daily mini transactions, maybe lakhs of transactions per day. Flipkart, Amazon online services. Next, Facebook. Yes, millions of transactions per day. Facebook. Yes, next, Google, Gmail. These are the large scale applications. Large scale, these applications perform large scale transactions. That kind of applications called enterprise applications. So this enterprise applications area, Spring and Hibernate is a leader, no doubt. Java is leader. Java is leader in this area. Okay, next, one more thing, Python is there. Python is not fit for this enterprise applications. Yes, if application performing large scale transactions, that case Python is not fit. Python is for only small scale transactions up to web applications. Python is only for web applications, which is performing for small scale transactions here. Yes, Java. Yes, Spring and Hibernate framework. These are, yes, enterprise applications. To develop the enterprise applications. Enterprise application means, yes, which performs large scale transactions. See, what is enterprise? Yes, large scale business is enterprise. Enterprise means it's a large scale business. Large scale business is enterprise. So for enterprise application development, you can use these two frameworks here. Means internet based applications. Okay, all internet based applications. All internet. Yes, all internet based applications. All internet based applications. Applications. Yes, we can develop using Spring framework. Okay. Next, Hadoop and Spark. So what are these frameworks here? Hadoop and Spark. Hadoop and Spark. So Hadoop and Spark. So these are to handle big data. Yes, these are to handle these frameworks. Okay, to store and process. To store and process big data. To store and process big data. Big data challenges. To face big data challenges, these are the frameworks. So these are Java frameworks. Exactly what is a framework? What is a framework? Yes, what is a framework? What is a framework? Yes, question is what is a framework? See, framework. Yes, framework. Yes, framework is the ready-made one. Ready-made one. Framework is ready-made one. Ready-made one. Ready to use. Ready to use. Framework is ready-made one. Ready to use. Okay, framework is a ready-made one. Ready to use. Okay. See, ready-made classes. It's all predefined. Yes, it contains framework contains. Framework contains. Framework contains. Framework contains. Yes, all predefined classes. All predefined. All predefined classes. All predefined classes. All predefined classes. It contains all predefined classes. 1 second. Suppose, for example, yes, in application database coding. Suppose in application writing some database coding. Database coding is around 50 to 60 lines of code. 60 lines, around 50 to 60 lines of code. Yes, using framework you can avoid it. Yes, using Hibernate framework. Yes, using Hibernate framework. Using Hibernate framework. Yes, we can avoid. We can avoid coding here. We can avoid. Yes, we can avoid code. Yes, we can avoid database coding. The database coding. Database coding. Okay, so need not write 50 to 6 lines. Yes, using this Hibernate framework, yes, directly you can connect database. Hibernate is having some database coding classes, predefined classes. Using that, you can connect database. Like this here, Hibernate and Spring. Okay, Spring and Hibernate. These frameworks. Yes, Spring and Hibernate. These frameworks are having predefined classes. Okay, take the predefined classes here, plug it into projects, and you can build the projects. There are predefined classes like database coding, some predefined class. Okay, suppose application, yes, come yes, some Java application generating emails for this SMTP, yes, simple mail transfer protocol, SMTP codes, yes, all developed code is available. Like this, different purpose, different code is already available. Predefined classes available. Take all the predefined classes, plug it into projects, and you can build the projects. Okay. Yes, just predefined classes, predefined classes. Yes, predefined classes can plug into projects. Just plug in into projects. Plug in into just we can plug in into projects. Plug in into project here, projects, and you can rebuild. You can build the project here. Just you can build the project here. You can build the projects. So what is advantage of framework here? See, without writing any code, we can develop the project here. Within short time, we can finish the code. Within short time, we can complete the projects here. Okay. Suppose if we writing every code means time taken to develop the project here. Time taken. Okay. See, I'll tell you one example here. Yes. Some example, framework example. For understanding what is exactly framework. What is exactly framework? What is exactly framework? To understand this here, I'll tell you one example here. Suppose constructing bridges. For example, constructing bridges. Yes, constructing bridges. Yes, how that bridges are constructing here. Yes, very old days. Yes, old days. What was happening here? Yes, raising pillars. Raising pillars. See, on top of pillars, laying bridge, right? That is old style. Laying bridge. That is old technology. Yes, raising pillars on top of pillars, laying bridges, laying bridge here. That is old technology. Yes, nowadays what they are doing here nowadays. Yes, latest. Simply raising pillars. Even raising pillars also manually not necessary. Machines and equipments, many things available. Within short time they can raise the pillars. Okay. Next, on top of pillars, what they are doing here? On top of pillars, just assembling blocks. Yes, they're simply bringing blocks. Yes, they are bringing ready-made blocks available. Simply they are bringing all the blocks and assembling on the bridge. Assembling on the pillars on top of pillars here. Just assembling blocks. Okay, so this is nothing but something like a framework. That ready-made blocks available. Simply bringing all the blocks here. Just assembling on top of pillars. Just assembling blocks. So within short time, yes, they are able to finish bridges construction. Yes, 4 months, 5 months. Yes, within 4 to 5 months, they are able to finish bridges here. Yes, very old days. Yes, taken for 2 years together, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, even 10 years also. 10 years also. Nowadays, that much period not necessary. See, 5 to 6 months finishing. See, last year, COVID period. During the COVID period, yes, TS government, Telangana government, yes, constructed more than 6 to 7 bridges within short period, just only 6 months. They taken advantage of that period. Curfew. No people, yes, no public, yes, no, yes, movement. So they taken advantage of that. Yes, they completed 6 to 7 bridges in Hyderabad. Here, this area, Gachbowli area, and all that different areas. They taken that advantage. Within short time finished. How they able to? Just only assembling blocks. Yeah, this is somewhat like a framework. This framework example here. One more example of framework. Yes, ready-made houses. Ready-made houses, right? See, construction companies, what they will do here? Suppose some highways. See, some L&T company or different companies. Yes, suppose highways, constructing highways, that roads, right? What happens here? That workers moving to different locations. So for them, yes, they will build some ready-made, yes, ready-made houses. Ready-made houses here. Once work is done here, they'll remove all this. Yes, relocating houses. So ready-made things, everything is ready-made available here. That is nothing but framework. That's called a framework here. Same thing here, framework. Okay, so framework also same. All ready-made classes available in framework. Already predefined classes available. All predefined class available. Using predefined classes, we can build the application. Within short time, we can finish application. Okay, so what is advantage of framework? See, advantage. Yes, advantage of frameworks. What is advantage of framework here? Yes, what is advantage of framework here? First point, framework. Yes, we can reduce the codes. First point, we can reduce the codes. We can reduce the codes. Next point here. Yes, we can develop projects. Yes, within short time we can develop yes projects. Yes, yes. Within short time here. Yes, with short time here. Okay, just within short time we can finish the project here. Short time. So much time is not required here. Within short time. Okay. Yes, even number of resources also reducing here. Yes, we can reduce Java resources. We can reduce Java resources. See here, much coding is not necessary. So we can reduce Java resources. Okay. Yes, we are able to reduce Java resources. Within short time, we can develop this here. Okay, we can reduce the code here. Okay. Yes, finally, yes, cost. Okay, cost. Yeah, the development cost also reduces here. Development. Yes, development cost also yes reduced with this. Reduced the framework. With framework, many advantages. So this is about framework. Framework. Okay, see here, 90% of 90% of internet-based applications, internet-based applications were developed using using these two frameworks. 90% of internet-based currently here, 90% of internet-based applications were developed using Spring and Hibernate frameworks. 90 now currently in market here, 90% of internet-based applications were developed using this Spring framework and Hadoop frameworks. Okay, next apart from this, next big data. Yes, see since 2010 here, yes, industry facing big data challenges. Since 2010, industry facing big data challenges. Yes, big data challenges. So many applications generating lot of data every day. Like Facebook generating huge amount of data, petabytes of data. Google, petabytes of data. Yes, Twitter, yes, huge amount of data. Yes, YouTube. Okay, the Flipkart, Amazon online services. These applications generate lot of data every day. Big data challenges. Big data challenges. For big data challenges, Hadoop. So for big data purpose, Hadoop and Spark. So these are the frameworks to face big data challenges. Okay, big data challenges. Okay, yes, Hadoop and Spark framework. Okay, yes, these are for the big data challenges. Okay, for big data challenges here. For big data challenges. Okay, big data challenges. Okay, like Yes, big data challenge, main storage problem, storage, and next processing, storage and processing. Yes, main big data challenges are data storage and data processing. They are the big data challenges. Yes, even big data challenges also solution from the Java. Java has given solution to this also here. Okay, so here almost all big data applications, yes, all big data applications were developed using Java here, were developed using Java. That's it. All big data applications. Okay, so these are about all the framework, different frameworks like this, different frameworks like this. Okay, see here by the year 2010, see 90% of existing applications, yes, existing apps were migrated to Java. Why migrated to Java? Migrated to Java. Yeah, these are all my life experience. I have seen, yes, since 1993. Yes, I'm in software field. I know what was happening. Yes, what was happening in software field. That history, I know that history here. Life experience. Okay. Yes, by the year 2010, see, by the year 2010, 90% of existing applications were migrated to Java. See, existing applications, 2010, existing applications. What are existing applications here? Yes, Visual Basic applications. Next, VC++ applications. VC+ applications. Next, .NET apps. Okay, these things next. C under C++ apps. C++ apps. Okay, next. SAP under Oracle ERP. Oracle ERP apps. They are the existing applications. As 2010 that period. Visual Basic, VC++, .NET applications. Next, C and C++ applications. C and C++. Next, SAP and Oracle applications, right? Oracle ERP. Yes, these applications were migrated to Java. That's why. What's the reason? Why migrated? Let me explain. Yes, I have seen all this. I have seen all this here. See, these applications. Yes, these Visual Basic, VC++, .NET. These are Microsoft technologies, right? These are from Microsoft. These are from the Microsoft. From Microsoft. Yes, what is disadvantage with Microsoft technologies? Anyone idea? What is disadvantage with Microsoft technologies? What is disadvantage with Microsoft technologies? Microsoft technologies. Any idea? Microsoft technologies are, yes, Windows based. Windows based means OS dependent. Microsoft technologies are OS dependent. OS dependent. Yes, these are Windows dependent here. So Windows based, Windows dependent. These are Windows dependent. Windows dependent. Windows dependent. These will not work with other operations. These technologies will not work with other operations. So Microsoft technologies are Windows dependent. Yes, Windows. Yes, what is disadvantage of Windows based? Yes, you guys any idea? What's the issue with Windows based? What's the problem with Windows based? Anyone idea? No idea? What's the problem with Windows based? Yes, any idea? What's the problem with Windows based? No idea? Yes, Windows is not a secure OS. Windows is not a secure OS. Windows is not a secure OS. Main problem with Windows is it is not a secure OS. Windows OS is not a secure OS. Windows is not a secure OS. Okay. Yes, with Windows OS, yes, chance of virus and data hacking. Data hacking. Yes, virus and data hacking happens with Windows OS. Windows OS. Then which is secure OS? Which is more secure OS? Any idea? Which is more secure ways? Linux. Linux is a secure ways. Linux is a secure ways. Linux is secure ways. Linux is secure ways. Yes. Linux is a virus free and no chance of data hacking. Okay, yes, no with Linux base here with Linux. With Linux base, yes, Linux base, yes, no chance of virus. Yes, no chance of virus. No chance of virus and data hacking. Yes, no chance. Reason some permissions concept I will be here. In Linux, there are some permissions like read permission, write permission, and execute permission. Without permissions, no one can open your files or folders. Without permissions, no one can open. Suppose virus program is received into Linux system. Suppose you try to open folder, no, it fails. Don't have permissions. Okay, data hacking. Suppose any program try to hack your data, no chance. Without permissions, it cannot open your files and folders. Linux is secure ways. Yes, since Linux is secure ways here. Yes, since Linux ways is secure ways here. Yeah, these clients, yes, they started thinking about Linux ways. Yeah, these Microsoft clients, they started thinking about Linux ways. If that application has to run on Linux base here. Yes, if your application is Microsoft technologies, is a Windows based, Windows is not a secure base. Windows is not a secure base. Yes, Linux is secure base. Since Linux is a secure base, most of the clients they started thinking about Linux base. See here, by the year 2010, yes, by that time Linux is more popular here. See Linux, see Linux released Linux released in the year, yes, in the year 1999. Yes, by the year 2010. See, by the year 2010, by the year 2010, by the year 2010, yes, RHL, Red Hat Enterprise Linux is more popular. Yes, more popular. Market more popular ways. Red Hat Enterprise Linux ways. RHL, more popular. So you get 2010. So by the time here, yes, most of the clients they started thinking about Red Hat Linux base. Yes, that application has to run on Red Hat Linux base, but these Microsoft technologies are Windows based. Since Windows based here, these applications migrating to Linux not possible. These are platform dependent. Okay, they are platform dependent. Visual Basic, VC Plus, these technologies are OS dependent. Since these are OS dependent here, yes, most of the clients started thinking to migrate to Java. Java is independent platform. Since Java is independent platform here, most of the Microsoft clients here, 90% of Microsoft clients were migrated to Java because of, yes, Microsoft technologies are OS dependent. Yes, since Microsoft technologies, okay, platform dependent here, 90% of Microsoft clients were migrated to Java. That's the reason. Okay, next C and C++ applications, why migrated? Okay, see here, Visual Basic, VC Plus, .NET. These are platform dependent. Since they are platform dependent here, yes, these Microsoft clients were migrated to Java. Okay, reason Java is independent platform. That's it. Next, C and C++. When come to C and C++, what's the disadvantage in C and C++ here? Yes, yes, no GA. Yes, don't have GA. Yes, don't have. Yes, here, don't have GA development. Yes, C and C++ don't have the GA development. This is a problem this here. GA, graphical user interface. Yeah, this is GA development. Like form, right? Go to training form. It's not okay. Yes, go to training. Yes, that form, right? Yes, you filled some form, submitted. That's a GA. You filled some form. First name, middle name, last name. Okay, next your mobile number and your email ID. Submitted, right? That form. That form is a GA. But that facility is not available. Okay, don't have GA development. So for that reason, these applications were migrated to Java. Okay, right? Next, SAP and Oracle ERP. These applications, SAP and Oracle ERP. Yes. So these applications, why migrate to Java here? These SAP and Oracle ERP, these are, yes, licensing is costly. Licensing is costly here. It's a costly. Licensing is costly here. Costly. But Java is a freeware. Java is a freeware. Freeware. So free of cost you can download it in this. Freeware means free of cost. It can be downloaded. Yes, it can be. Yes, it can be downloaded. It can be downloaded. It can be, yes, downloaded and used at free of cost. At free of cost. So these are reason. Yes. So maintenance cost is more. SAP and Oracle ERP applications, maintenance cost is more. Since maintenance is more here, if these clients were migrated Java, so there are different reasons here. There are various reasons, different technologies, different reasons to migrate into Java here. Right? Yes. So this is what was happening market here. What was happening market? Okay. So by the year 2010, 90% of existing applications were migrated to Java here. Okay. See, next year, yes, in the year 2010, yes, in the year 2010, Oracle Corporation, yes, Oracle Corporation, yes, Oracle Corporation has taken over Sunsoft. Okay, yes, in the year 2010, yes, in the year 2010, Sunsoft was taken over by the Oracle Corporation. Sunsoft was taken over by the Oracle Corporation. Okay, yes, in the year 2010, yes, Sunsoft was taken over by the Oracle Corporation. See, 2010, that period, yes, Microsoft was the leader. In the software field, Microsoft was the leader. Up to 2010, yes, up to this 2010, Microsoft was the leader. So during that period, yes, 2007 and 2010, 2007, 2005, 2005 to 2010, 2005 to 10. Okay, so 10, Oracle Corporation has taken over many companies. 2005 to, yes, 2005 to, yes, 10. Yes, Oracle Corporation taken over many companies. Yes, taken over many companies, many companies, many companies, many companies to compete with, yes, to compete with, yes, Microsoft. Yes, by the year 2010, Oracle Corporation has become leader. Yes, now in the software field, no doubt, Oracle Corporation is leader. In the software field, in technology wise, software field now currently Oracle Corporation is a leader, no doubt. But business wise, maybe Facebook leader. Maybe Facebook doing as a highest business. Google may be doing highest business. Next, Amazon doing highest business. Business wise, Amazon doing more business. Facebook doing more business. But when come to software field, when come to software here, Oracle Corporation is a leader now. Currently, Oracle Corporation is a leader, no doubt. Okay, so this is what was happened. Yes, since 95 to, yes, today. Now present scenario, see this present. Yes, present position of Java. What is present position of Java? What is present position of Java? See, what is present position of Java? See, here 90% of, yes, internet based applications, 90% of internet based apps are developed in Java. Right? Next, apart from it, next, all, yes, big data, all big data apps developed in Java. Right? Next, all ERPs. Yes, 90% of, not all, 90% is ERP solutions from Java. Yes, Java has given solutions to many kind of things. ERP, enterprise resource planning. What is enterprise exactly? Enterprise means it's a large scale industry. Yes, maintaining large scale industry. Yes, one second. Let's do that. Enterprise. 1 second. Just a minute. Document. Yeah. See, enterprise looks like this. This is enterprise. See, enterprise is enterprise. Many departments like purchasing department, stores, raw material department, manufacturing department, production department, quality control, estimating cost of items here, marketing and sales, customers, assembling. Yes, next finished goods, semi-finished goods, shipping department. Yes, next account departments, payments, bank transactions, assets, and all different departments here, right? This is a big one, big industry. So this thing is called the enterprise. Enterprise, many transactions. To manage these kind of things, yeah. Enterprise resource planning. Enterprise. This is big thing. This all this managing all these kind of departments is a ERP application. Application which is managing all the activities of all departments, that is called as ERP. Enterprise resource planning. That's it. So even ERP solutions also from the Java. Okay. See, SAP ERP, Oracle ERP is available. Even available, clients are opting for Java. Reason, it's a freeware. SAP Oracle ERP costly. So 90% of internet-based applications were developed in Java. All big data applications. Okay, applications developed in Java here. 90% of ERP solutions from Java here, right? Okay. See here. See, 90% of internet-based applications. See, worldwide many companies are there. Lakhs of companies. For all the companies' websites. To maintain that, yes, company that internal application here. Lakhs of companies' websites, internal applications. Next, lakhs of schools, school management, college management here, hotels management, trading applications. So lakhs of applications are developed in Java. Lakhs. Okay. Yes, lakhs. Yes, lakhs of, yes, see, lakhs of application, lakhs of apps were developed in Java. Yes, lakhs of applications. Yes, to support. Yes, to support. Yes, support. Yes, supporting required. Yes, applications, Java application running. Okay, support team required, right? That issues has to fix. Like suppose application raising some issues. Yes, that issues has to fix. Fix next daily maintenance and all this lakhs of applications to support. Yes, or to maintain lakhs of applications. Just to maintain. Just to maintain. Yes, lakhs of apps. Lakhs of apps. Yes, how many? Yes, Java resources required here. How many Java resources required here? There's a question. Yes, to maintain lakhs of applications, how many Java resources required? How many Java resources? Yes, resources in millions. Yes, millions of resources. Millions of resources required. Millions of Java resources required here. Millions of Java resources required here. Millions of Java resources required here. Yes, that's the reason Java has become evergreen field. Why Java is evergreen field? Why lot of demand for Java? Yes, millions of Java resources. 1 million equal to 10 lakhs. 1 million equal to 10 lakhs. Millions of resources. Millions of resources are their Java resources. Millions of Java resources are there. Crores of employees. Yes, crores of Java employees are there. Crores of employees. Java based Java resource. Crores of Java resources. So that's the reason Java has become evergreen field here. Okay, in market, most of the applications. Yes, here we are using in our daily life, we are using many applications, right? Yes, many applications. Almost all the applications were developed in Java. Yes, to maintain all that applications, many Java resources required here. Lot of requirement. That's the reason. Yes, it has become evergreen field. That's the reason Java got most popularity and evergreen field here. Okay. Next, in future, so present situation of Java is evergreen. Lot of demand, lot of requirement here. See, since last 10 months, since last 1 year, lot of demand increased for Java resources. Lot of demands. Many companies are recruiting Java resources. See, because of this COVID, many online applications were developed. Yet to develop this that much of applications, many Java resources requirements. Because of COVID issue here. Yes, because of COVID-19. So many applications were developed, many online applications here developed. Okay, for that many resources. That's the reason Java has a lot of demand in the market. Yes, it's a evergreen field. Yes, feature also no worry. In future, yes, in future no technology better than Java. Yes, future maybe 10 years or 15 years. Okay, presently there is no technology which is having more features than Java. Suppose in future any technology released which is giving more than Java. Okay, suppose any technology coming here, all these existing applications have to migrate to new technology. It's not easy. Lakhs of millions of applications migrating new technology. It will take lot of time. So minimum 15 to 20 years it will take it. So future also no worry. So Java career, it's a very long career, evergreen fields, long career. Yes, even yes, there is no chance of layoffs in Java. Java resources, no chance of layoffs in Java here. Java is evergreen field. You can choose Java career. For next 15 to 20 years, no worry about Java here. Happily, you can work with Java. See, since 20 years I'm working with Java. No up and downs in my career. Cool. My career very cool and happily working in Java. Next, one more thing, high payments will be there. Packages. Compared to any other resources, Java resources getting more salary. More salary in the market here. So that is about Java. Complete history. So 1995 to today, what was happened Java? Very clearly explained. Yes, all this my experience. Okay. See here, many things discussed about Java, right? Many things discussed. One second, date 2. Let me save it. I'll share with you. Yes, 6 p.m. Day 2. So many topics were discussed. Since 1995 to today, what was happened? And all this, that complete history discussed. This all is my experience. See, here to explain all of this in my experience, with my experience only, just I'm explaining here. Suppose other trainers, they have to collect all this information from the different websites. Yes, most of the trainers, they will collect the data from different sites here. They will present you. For me, it's not necessary. For me, it's not necessary. Completely, it's in my live experience. Since 1993, I'm in the software field. Okay, I know what was happening in software field. So how Java has become popular in the markets, I know that. Same thing, just to explain you. That's it here. See, for me, separate preparation is not necessary. To explain about Java techniques, it's a daily working. Every day I'm working with Java here. Okay. Yes, many projects worked on Java here. So many projects developed. So special preparation is not necessary to explain for you. Okay, just my experience, just I'm presenting. That's it. Okay, so that's all about the Java history. Java history completed. Okay, yes, next tomorrow topic is Java features. Independent platform. How Java made us independent platform? Yes, Java portability. Yes, what does it mean? Yes, Swoop's language, what does it mean? Yes, about these features tomorrow we'll discuss. Tomorrow we'll continue with these features. Yeah, that's all for today. Okay. Yes, same link for tomorrow also. Yes, no change in link here. Tomorrow also same link. Okay. Same link. Same link till Saturday. Till Saturday, same link. Till Saturday. Yes. Same link till Saturday. No changes. Same time. Yes, exactly 6 o'clock starting class. Today, some online. Yes, online they face some network issue. Due to some issue, it was late today. But actually, exactly starting at 6 o'clock. 6 to 7:30 class. Yeah, that's all. Yes, any doubts, guys? Yes, you guys, any doubts? Any doubts? Yes, any doubts? Hello. Any doubts? Yes, if no doubts, let us wind up session for it today. So thank you guys. See you tomorrow.